Have you ever wondered how to get a 100% return on your investment? Picture a world where your money doesn't just sit in a bank, but actively works for you, doubling its value. It's not just a dream. It's the reality that Ubiquitous One Group affiliates can offer. In the traditional banking system, you're lucky if you can get a return varying from 0.5% to 18% annually. This seems like a good deal until you discover a whole new world of investing. A world where you don't just hope for change, but actively make it happen. That's where Ubiquitous One Group affiliates comes into the picture. Ubiquitous One Group affiliates doesn't just talk the talk, but walks you through the process. Starting with no fees, they show you how to leverage your efforts, guiding your income to new heights. The goal is to have your money work for you, rather than you working for your money. Within the first 30 days, which is roughly 4.5 weeks, Ubiquitous One Group affiliates can get your return on investment up to 100%. This isn't just a promise, but a step-by-step system that you can follow. It's a roadmap to financial freedom that doesn't rely on traditional lending institutions. The secret lies in the system. A system that's designed to not just make your money work for you, but to work smarter. It takes the guesswork out of investing, replacing it with a proven method that guides your money towards higher returns. To summarize, Ubiquitous One Group affiliates offers a step-by-step system that can take your return on investment to 100% within the first 30 days. It's a system that leverages your efforts, making your money work smarter, not harder. It's a system that doesn't rely on traditional lending institutions, but rather puts you in control. The potential to achieve a 100% return on your investment isn't just a dream. It's a reality that's within your reach. All you have to do is take the first step with Ubiquitous One Group affiliates. Because in this world, your money doesn't just sit in a bank. It actively works for you, doubling its value. And that is the power of smart investing.